Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is just another installment on find and replace. And let's get these off the page, and let's get these off the page. And let's say you're working on something and you want to change the colors on this one, and these are identical, but you don't want to change the colors on that one. I've done this before when I'm doing some drawing and I want to cut out pieces and I color code them so I know which ones. So you could select these. Then when you go to edit, find and replace, find objects, and go to replace color, you check this right here, apply to current selected objects only. Press OK. We want to find the green ones. And we want to change the green ones to, let's make it something obvious, this light blue. And then hit finish, replace all. Now watch what happens when I hit replace all. It's going to take all the green ones and turn them into that color, but only on the ones I had selected. That's pretty cool when you're working with something and you need to change a bunch of color. Now in laser engraving we don't change colors, but you could do it with different shades of gray and even different outlines probably with that. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.